Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we talk about must and its two replacements, to have to do something and to be to do something. Must needs replacements because it only has one form and cannot be used in the future tense or in the past tense. Look at three sentences. I must cook something for dinner. I have to cook something for dinner. I am to cook something for dinner. They mean almost the same. Almost, but not quite. I must cook. It is my own decision and my choice. I feel like, yes, it's good if I cook something. I have to cook means I hate the idea of cooking, that there is no other choice because either guests are coming or my children are hungry. The situation makes me cook, though I would rather read a book instead. And I am to cook something means that we agreed with someone that it is my turn to cook, or we shared our home chores like that. I don't feel unhappy about it, and that is why I am not saying that I have to cook. And it is not entirely my choice, it's a part of agreement. That is why I am not saying that I must cook. So, I have or I will have to meet Steve tomorrow means that I don't want to meet Steve. Probably I hate Steve. That due to some circumstances, it is necessary for me to meet him. I must meet Steve tomorrow means that it is good for me to meet him and I don't experience any negative emotions about meeting him. It is my own choice. I am to meet Steve tomorrow means that we agreed with Steve and probably with somebody else about the meeting. It is a part of our arrangement and I do not want to express any emotions. By the way, this phrase cannot be used in the future tense. The phrase to be to do something has many different meanings, not only a planned action. But this is another story. We will talk about it in our next video. I will tell you today only about one interesting detail concerning the phrase to be to do something. Look at the sentence. We were to celebrate Christmas with the Browns. This phrase means that it had been our plan and we celebrated Christmas with the Browns. But what if we had planned to celebrate Christmas with them, but for some reason we didn't? Then we will say, we were to have celebrated Christmas with the Browns. To have celebrated, the perfect infinitive, shows that the action was planned but not performed. So next time we will speak about the many meanings of one of the equivalents of must, the phrase to be to do something. Now to conclude, a small test. Here are three situations concerning Jenny meeting a doctor and three phrases that describe this situation. These situations. Number one, you are worried about Jenny's health and think that it would be nice for her to consult a doctor. Situation number two, you feel that Jenny is seriously ill and you insist that she should visit a doctor even if she doesn't want to. And situation three, you want to remind her that her appointment with the doctor is planned for the nearest future. You can now pause this video and continue when you are ready. And we are going on. So, if you advise, use sentence C. If you insist, it will be sentence B. If you remind about an arrangement or plan, it is sentence A. Thank you for being with us and see you again next time.